Alright guys, welcome back to another video, another install. Today I'll be installing some lower control arms on the RSX. Just picked these up, actually just came in yesterday. Today is February 28th, so it came in on the 27th. But here they are. Took them out of the box already, obviously from K-Tune. These are the spherical bushing ones, not the rubber one. Figure this RSX is going to be more track based, so I went with the spherical. So this is how it looks like when unboxed. Like all parts comes with a sticker. Came with one of these little circle stickers. And then these are the hardware that came with it. Nice and beefy. Overall looked pretty good. The only issue I had with this one is that it's got a couple small gouges here. But I don't think that's going to be much of a big deal. Other than that, this other one looks perfect. So the only reason why I went with K2 was because they were the only ones that I saw with the spherical bushing. Otherwise, I don't really have a preference. I just went with them because I wanted the spherical one. So besides that, I did went and got the 10-point socket. This is what you need to take out the 3 bolts. That's the per number. Got this for 20 bucks. So it's probably gonna be a one-time use and that'll be it. But need that so we can take off the 3 bolts. Other than that, that should be it. So it should be a pretty straightforward install. Show you guys quick and then be done with it. It should be a nice addition to the RSX. Hopefully it'll make somewhat of a difference. But yeah, let's get to it. Show you guys what the old one looks like right now underneath. This is the old one, so we'll just replace that and change it out to the new one. Alright, so the first thing that we're going to do is take off the wheel first, so that way we have room to jack up the bottom of the hub to give it some preload. So that's what I'm going to be doing first, is taking off the wheel. Right, next thing here is I'm gonna jack up the hub. Alright, so because these have never been taken off before, and I live in a state where there's a lot of road salt, and this car is driven in some winter, not all winters, but during some of its during its lifetime it's seen some salt and wintry roads. So I'm just gonna heat it up so that way it'll make it easier for me. I did soak it in PB Blast the night before, but to make it easier, I'm just gonna heat it up. just like that. Go. Just like that. So. Just like that, she's out. Crusty. So here it is. Got the old one out next to the new one. Man, weight difference. Yeah, the K2 one is a little bit lighter than the OEM one, but not by a whole, not by much. So a little bit of weight saving there, but there are some cracking inside there. Camera probably won't pick it up, but a little bit on this side. So like I said, it's seen better days. It's got the chassis of the car and the motor's got 161,000 miles on it, so I don't think these has ever been changed. But here is a new one. Spherical bushing and a little bit lighter. Also looks better, so I'll go ahead and slap this on. So basically how it's set up is just bolt, washer, and that's about it. So I'm gonna put a little bit of NICs on there, and better to have more than not enough. Pretty straightforward. Stick it on there, and then that's as good as I can get it to go. There you go, just use the mallet to line it up. Took a little bit of time, but you just have to get that to go in there. So that's in there now. I just gotta torque it down. Owner's manual say to torque this bolt to 43 foot-pounds. They didn't say anything about the 3 over here, but I'm just gonna torque them all to 43 foot-pounds. But you can do whatever you like. But I'm just gonna go with that because this one is 43. I'm just gonna put these 3 over here as 43. But the owner's manual, I couldn't find what the torque spec for these were. But like I said, 43 foot-pounds here, but I'm gonna do 43 over here. And if you guys want to do whatever you guys want, go for it. But that's what the torque spec is for this one. Alright guys, and just like that, she's all done. Looking nice. Way better than the stock one, that's for sure. So we'll just have to see how they perform on the track. But I got this other side done as well. So that's how they both look. And it's obviously winter, so I can't take the car out, but eventually when the weather's nicer, and right now currently on jack stand right now, but hopefully the next couple weeks here, snow will be melting and the roads will be a lot nicer and I can actually pull the car out. But that's about it for now. So this pretty much wraps up this install of the lower control arms. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and like I said, there's more to come on this car, so stay tuned, and we'll be doing a lot more installs as we get parts in, or as I get parts to come in. So that's it for now. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette.